Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ndongo. For those who just bumped into my channel, on your YouTube feed, I do videos related to makeup, beauty, travel, and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed, please pause on the video first before you continue watching, and just hit the subscribe button to get to subscribe to the channel. And next to it there's the notification bell where you get notified every time I put up a new video, so just click on that too. In today's video, it's going to be an eyeshadow application video. So I'm going to be teaching you how I do an easy smoky eye look. I hope it's going to be, well, I say easy, but it might not be easy for you, but practicing makes it perfect. So once you watch this and try it out, just keep practicing the skill so that you can be able to perfect it. But I'm going to try and make it as simple as possible so that you get to learn how to do a smoky eye look. I've done my eyebrows already. I know I look ridiculous, but if you want to know how to learn how to do your eyebrows like I did mine, I'm gonna leave a card here where you can click on that link and just go and watch a detailed eyebrow tutorial that I did earlier on the channel. So just click on that and just go watch that and practice how to do your eyebrows. So let's get started on this video. So to start off, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal, and I'm just gonna apply that on my eyelid to use it as a base. When it comes to a smoky eye, you layer products on the eyelid, so you just don't go in directly with your black eyeshadow. And then I took a small smudge brush to blend out the harsh lines of the Kajal that I applied on my eyelid. And then I'm going in with the Warrior 2 by Juvias Place. And I'm gonna use the dark shade on that palette. And I'm gonna use that small crisp brush to just set the dark shade on that eyelid. So I'm just setting it on the top of the Kajal that I had applied on my eyelid. And you need to use a small flat brush for that. And then using a small crisp brush, and I'm gonna take those two shades, the dark brown. I'm gonna go in first with the dark brown shade. I'm blending the harsh lines on the crease. So you have to blend out completely those harsh lines towards your crease. And then the next, I'm gonna use the same crisp brush that I'd used. No, I took a different crisp brush and used the orange shade on that palette and just blended out using that orange to make it my transition color on my eyelid. And then I took a big blending brush and just blended out all the colors together to just make the shades look flawless and seamless as well. And take your time while doing this and while blending out so that you have the perfect smoky eye look. And also did my other eye off camera, as you can see, and then just blending out everything together. And then using the small smudge brush that I had used earlier, I'm putting on the same shades that I put on my eyelid on my lower lash line. I went in with a black first, and then I mixed the brown shade, and the orange shade, and just blended out the black shade on the lash line. And then using my Kajal, I just smoked out my waterline to make everything like look so smoky and all, like to just smoke everything out and just have that complete eye smoky eye look. And as you can see, guys, look at how beautiful that is. I paired it with a nude matte lipstick. I did the rest of my face. I added some lashes and
As you can see, this is just so beautiful and just perfect. You wear a smoky eye on a night out. It's a very nice look for an evening look. You don't put in I wouldn't advise you to put a smoky eye during the day.
So there you have it, guys. That is how I achieve a smoky look. I said it's gonna be easy, so I hope if you're watching this, like that was easy, like something you can try out at home during this time. For a smoky eye, you pair it with a nude lip, or you could pair it with a red lip, depending. But I wanted to pair it with a nude lipstick, and you can also do a glossy, but I didn't feel like doing putting on some gloss. I just wanted a matte lipstick look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you're gonna practice how to do a smoky eye. And I hope you're gonna practice how to do a smoky eye at home. Yeah, let me know whether you love it by giving the video a thumbs up and also leaving a comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. And until my next one, I love you all. Bye.